How's it going, guys? Thank you for tuning in and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we have two 5-packs from Matchbox. We have this Matchbox construction, which we're gonna put to the side. We'll do that second. And we have this Matchbox Rescue 5. Most of these packs have real vehicles or license, like this one, the helicopter. It's the only one that's in this case would be fancy. Let's get to it. Start from the bottom. This one is the Renault Master Ambulance. This one has a plastic bottle cab with a metal base. Here in my area, we don't have this type of ambulance. We have the more square-looking ones, but nevertheless, this one's a pretty cool model. Then we have this Scania fire truck. This is pretty cool. I love fire trucks. But it's kind of hard to find them in 1/64 scale, a true 1/64 scale. This one's a metal body with a plastic base. And they all are themed with the Rescue EMT logo. Pretty cool. Not a lot of details on this ones. Then we have a Ford Capri, which I don't know what that is doing here. Wish they would put another ambulance or, I don't know, another fire engine, but it's nice. Not a big fan of that casting, and definitely not a big fan of this. It's like a G.I. Joe kind of helicopter, which if it was for G.I. Joe, I'll be excited. But since it's just a fantasy casting for Matchbox, not really. Metal cover on the top here. The wing is plastic, this is plastic, and the base is plastic. And one of my favorites is this M5. They call it M5 Police. But I don't think police might use. I mean, fire departments use BMWs. Police, yeah, which I was expecting they'll have something more like this. We're gonna open to compare with that one. This is a police car. The European one, but still a police car. This is the 2023 i4. They have the same wheels. Obviously the front is different than this one's. And not a lot of details on the back. But pretty cool. I like that kind of utility vehicles. And then we have the construction 5-pack. To it. I think it's a pretty cool one. It has variety, which I like. Let's start from the bottom. Although these vehicles are, they exist in the real life. They're not licensed, they're just Matchbox twist to it. So this one's the Plowmaster 6000. This will be filled with salt and we'll sprinkle it out of the bag on the roads after it cleans with this thing. Pretty cool. Ran out of. There we go. The next one is this Tractor King. The top is metal and everything else plastic. Pretty cool. Ground grinder. Just like a scraper kind of thing. Pretty cool. Same dealio. All the yellow that you see, it's plastic. This is plastic, but the gray is metal. Pretty cool. This is one of my favorites. The MBX truck hauler. This is pretty cool. This one does have the bed that opens. Oh, it actually hits that post there. Really nice. I like it. It's my favorite out of all of them. And last for the fat pack is this another road scraper. Oh, that was the ground grinder. This is the road scraper. Gotcha. And this one does have articulation. Pretty nice. This part's metal, this is all plastic. The bottom is plastic. And as a bonus, I found this one as well. It's GMC 3000 utility truck. I thought it was pretty cool, especially from what it has on top of the accessories. This will be like a maintenance truck. There's some gas tanks, toolboxes, kind of thing. Pretty cool. All the yellow, it's all metal. Everything else is plastic. I'll put my favorites here. And you can see everything except for the horrendous helicopter. Anyway guys, let me know what you thought about this. I do like Matchbox, especially when they do construction stuff. In my opinion, it's a little bit better than Hot Wheels. And thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and till the next one, bye.